Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can make beef brisket in the air fryer. I've been making beef brisket in the air fryer and I finally found a way to cook it up to be tender, and you can cook it up in as little as 2 hours, though ideally you need an extra hour for the juices to redistribute throughout the meat. I'm using a COSORI, but any air fryer should work as long as you follow the key points about the temperature. The ideal temperature to stop the cook on this size of meat in an air fryer is about 185 Fahrenheit to 205 Fahrenheit or 85 Celsius to 96 Celsius. And then letting that sit for about an hour or so. That's what seems to work best from my experience. For this recipe, you'll need a piece of beef brisket, about 1.5 pounds or 750 grams, half cup of mustard, half cup of seasoning. I use McCormick steak seasoning, but a mix of garlic powder, chili spices, salt and pepper, or whatever else you like to use should work. To start, you want to coat the outside of your brisket with mustard, and I also used a little bit of liquid smoke to give it a smoky flavor. Preheat the air fryer. Coat the meat with the seasonings after rubbing the mustard on it. After preheating the air fryer, put the meat in with preferably the rounded part up. Cook it at around 370 Fahrenheit, 190 Celsius for 30 minutes. After that finishes, flip it and take a temperature reading. This one went to 105 Fahrenheit or 41 Celsius, and I cooked it again at 370 Fahrenheit, 190 Celsius for another 30 minutes. After that phase, the temperature went up to 175 Fahrenheit, 80 degrees Celsius. I didn't flip it, I just cooked it again, this time at 210 Fahrenheit, 100 Celsius for 1 hour. That finished, and the temperature went up to 187 Fahrenheit, 86 Celsius, which is what I was looking for. I removed it, wrapped it in some oven paper, and let it sit for about 1 hour to let the juices redistribute throughout the meat. After that 1 hour was done, I unwrapped it and sliced it up. It was still hot inside, the bark was crunchy, and the meat was tender. I've cooked brisket using various temperatures and different lengths, and the best results come from when I cook the meat to the internal temperature of between 185 Fahrenheit to 205 Fahrenheit or 85 Celsius to 96 Celsius, and wrapping it up in paper and letting it sit for about an hour afterwards. I usually slice these up and throw the meat into sandwiches, and they come out great. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, hit that like button. And if you're not already a subscriber, subscribe and hit that bell notification button so you're notified anytime I put up a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon.